Using the point-slope form of a linear equation. The problem states, find the equation of the line that has the given slope and contains the given point. If possible, write the equation in slope-intercept form. And we're given this point, and we'll call this point P, 4, 4, and we know that the slope M is equal to 2. So what we need to do is try to put it into slope-intercept form. We know that the slope-intercept form of an equation looks like this: y equals mx plus b, where m is your slope and b is the y-intercept. And that would be the y-coordinate of the y-intercept. But we don't have the y-intercept, we just have a traditional point. So what we're going to do is use point-slope form. And the point-slope form, while it may look complicated, is actually derived from the slope formula. And the point-slope form is equal to y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. Now let's identify some things. This right here we know is our slope, which means that this will replace what I just indicated in the equation. Then we know that y sub 1 and x sub 1 will be the coordinates of the given point, remembering that x sub 1 comes first and y sub 1 comes second, since it is an ordered pair. So we'll go ahead and rewrite the equation with the substitutions. Y sub 1, as I said, is going to be 4. And that's going to be equal to m, which, as we said, is 2, times the quantity x minus x sub 1, which we know is also going to be 4. And now we need to simplify this and solve for y. The reason that we need to solve for y is because our slope-intercept form is in the form y equals mx plus b. So now what we'll do is distribute the 2 over the x and the negative 4, which is going to give us this new equation: y minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 8. And then, in order to solve for y, we will simply add 4 to both sides, making sure that we line that up with like terms, yielding y is equal to 2x minus 8. Now this is going to be in our slope-intercept form, noting that once again we can state that the slope is 2, so m is equal to 2, and then we can go ahead and state that this is the y-coordinate of the y-intercept. So the y-intercept will be equal to 0, negative 8. And that is how you take a point and a given slope for a line and use the point-slope form of the linear equation, and then solve it for y to get the slope-intercept form of the equation.